What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem still out here. So right now today is a going a little vlog, you understand. So out here is it, go on, clean up some bike here, so guys, will see what I go on, so make sure to stay tuned and keep it locked.
Dia look up wash upon like them man fi have, can't dip in all the jug.
Yeah, some was to. Yeah, some power away. Come to me one way. Screw. Part of screw.
Night the boy.
Yeah man, sight this people. A tool, See it. Big bad 150, Yeah man, so we just wash him off for now. So you guys see what I go on. You see it. It's a good back tool.
The man with there man,
See
Heat up the machine in the morning, early morning.
See it.
There man.
Yeah man, so but the right thing, you guys the same way. Going easy. You see it.
Something that you got? There's something man.
Yeah man, so
You got to have a boat boy after you got your friend.
see something. Oh.
Your face not washing that, we're not washing face. It's early morning now.
Early morning man, is it?
I left my time in the morning early man.
No lie. Man, so machine shine up now, See.
That's what I said.
Yeah man, that's what I go on guys. I'm on here right now. So wash off machine, is it? Yeah man, that's I topic this morning. Yes it.
Start from top, go down. The car start from bottom, come up. And move up the car.
That's so. But you're low still. Yeah guys, so right now out here, it's a rainy day, understand? As you guys can see, rain going with itself. Alright guys, so right now we just finish wash the car, you see it. So even though rain kind of fall still, we don't really get a proper wash. I don't know rain might fall and wet it up back. Yeah man guys, so right now I'm about to sell this machine here. You see it. So anyone that's interested, make sure to hit me up. You understand? So I'm gonna go a tour of it right here. As you can see, basically rims up. You understand? Clean machine. Show the inside. There guys. Inside well clean. Everything working. You see it. So nice Nissan T there, you know. Selling as it is. Great condition. So if you're interested in this, make sure you hit me up. I'll leave my number in the description. So make sure you check the description box, my number. You can hit me up if you're interested in this machine here, you know. Yeah. Just like how it is. Yeah man. Yeah man guys, so there see me, you know, on the ends here. Is it on a chill spot. You know things set.
Clean, man.
Yeah man. Test out the new camera, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, so we are shot the video right now on the Sony ZV-E1. So if you guys want to see the review of that, make sure you check out the review channel, Ackeem Style Review. I put a card up above so you guys can check it out. Yeah. Alright guys, so even though they kinda overcast, don't know the rain kinda hold up a bit. So I'm gonna fly some drone right now, let you guys see how the day actually looks. Alright guys, so basically right now I catch a couple flight. So I have to basically return right now because the rain up there, so kinda a bit rough and we don't want to come in. So as you guys can see, I return home right now. Drone is somewhere up in the sky right there, so you guys can see it. Yes guys, so I'm inside right now, back in the studio slash room. So right now I'm just want to basically string up, play some game. We get a couple shots. As you guys can see, the rain basically come down back, so I'm going to escape before it come, because I don't want it to, you know, wet up the equipment them. So back in the studio right now, showing you guys what I go on, showing what's up, boot up right now, I'm making you guys see what I got. Alright now guys, we're gonna do some gaming, you see it. So we're gonna play some FIFA, you see it. And break back the right so. So we're gonna challenge. We say, alright, so before that, let me know guys who gonna win. So comment in the comment section, let me know who gonna win. Alright, so we face off right now. You say you're gonna win?
Because you are going now.
Alright. See there. FIFA now, we are doing 23. Alright. I choose
Liverpool.
I choose Man City, no?
Set up the team right way.
Alright. Address.
Alright.
Silva.
I want you to permission to okay, okay.
Right, so a bit, you know.
There aren't many bigger games on the calendar than this one. Certainly we're talking about two highly successful teams with passionate followers. On the live action next from the Etihad, it's Manchester City.
They are ready for job
Liverpool.
69 bag. You know?
So, let me know, guys, who's gonna win. Stay tuned.
Hello and welcome to the Etihad Stadium.
Starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
Turn up. First one, this nine bagging up people.
A glorious chance.
6 man get you job.
The opening statement.
Yo, man, score one.
One already. Now first 1 second and walk through
Just
man.
look at the defending here.
Nice,
The keeper is left totally
Walk
exposed.
through go
It's an
bossa.
easy goal in the end,
Yeah.
but well.
Yeah.
So the match has restarted. 1-0 here.
Get up on the smart TV bro.
Who does?
Yo.
Now showing excellent vision. Is it going to be? And the goalkeeper
The
on
first
top
one,
of his
yes,
game.
yes.
Well, it's great
Come on, we get up
goalkeeping.
on
What a
smart
big
TV.
save that is.
Yeah.
And the back net firing it over. And the danger's still on. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Andrew Robertson. Gakpo. An attack full of promise. Big chance.
Nine bag.
In it goes! He's
Just in your
made
60
a
man.
place for himself. No
Forward,
stopping
yeah,
in the
watch
penalty.
replay.
And the ball is moving again. 2-0 is how it stands.
Outside him,
And
man.
the referee has awarded the free kick. He tried to play advantage, but it wasn't forthcoming. Holland. Foden. And will the cross work out for them? The attack carried an initial threat, but fizzled out. Bodies forward, and the break looks on. They might be through here. It was an excellent example of how to break at pace.
Well, that's counter-attacking football at its best. They switch on so
Look at
quickly
that.
when they win the ball back.
I'd want
It
to see
deserved
that.
the goal.
Next one, press one, funny.
Holland. Gundogan.
Ah, nice.
You find one
Good
this
one.
And they have the momentum now. So back underway at 2-1. Tight contest here.
Give me you a ball start.
Yes, today.
And it's
Outside, I think.
Outside one.
Had a bit of work
Never
to do
catch
in
it.
getting to that through
Yeah.
ball, the goalkeeper.
Long time around this one.
You hurt against me.
The greatest pass, easily intercepted. And the counter looks
Touching
on here.
lace now.
Options
Touching lace.
available.
Touching lace.
Erling Haaland.
Yeah, that.
They've done it.
Score.
What a
Touching
goal
lace.
is this?
Oh,
Is it my job you want for money back?
Well, it has taken a Herculean effort for them to get back to level pegging under these trying circumstances. Virgil van Dijk. Here's Robertson. Happy to pass the ball, but remaining patient. Thiago.
Shit.
offside.
On to Robertson. And he's gone into an illegal position,
Cancel the pass,
unfortunately.
you know.
Shit, was far.
And me nearly give back,
Yes,
back
I mean-
far.
United now. Given away by City.
Turn up over your ball, me.
Elliott. This is Salah. Nunez. A very good tackle.
Nice. Nice, not good ball.
Foden. Well, it looked highly promising, but they got nothing out of it. given him too much space.
Whoa, get you.
Firing it towards goal. Oh, a smart stop. Walker. Kevin De Bruyne.
More than body field.
Virgil van Dijk. They're trying to get right into his face. Elliott. That's a good Liverpool move in the making. Firing it towards goal. Well, the goalkeeper's life wasn't made quite as difficult as might have been the case. Walker. Holland. Well read to ease the pressure. Oh, a nice looking pass. Salah. On to Thiago. Well, racing past his man. Can they forge ahead? It's still alive. Oh, no damage done. Holland. Now with Silva. Phil Foden. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Holland! Oh, wonderful counter-attacking football. Just unfortunate that they didn't score.
Well, had he scored, that would have been a great goal. The speed in which they changed from defence to attack was brilliant.
Salah. Can he get them in front? And a goal! In the lead again! Fully deserved!
There you go.
So City get things going again, and the onus is on them to erase the damage done by that concession. And a chance
Then
for
what is
more
going
attack,
on,
but really sticking to their task defensively. Gakpo. 2 minutes of stoppage time coming up. Nice. Showing good defensive judgment.
Blew off much, sorry. Funny.
And that is going to be all for the first four.
Yeah, man, so the first half done 2-3. So right now my lead, Liverpool to Manchester. You guys can see. So right now next half, I scroll back at this one, 3 more goals.
So yeah, pretty a madman prediction that man. And a pretty good man. That's your money. I just bet.
Alright. So go on.
Ball is still fresh.
So back in business, the second half underway, and City try to plot a route back into this one.
The man win that.
De Bruyne. Wonderful chance.
Oh! What me say? What me say?
Go that man. They go in another class like goal and they get it.
Is that you heard?
Yeah.
Well, what an extraordinary scoreline. Does this game have more goals in it?
Sure, good.
Really
Look
sumptuous ball. Oh, a tremendous block.
Shit, man.
And he read it well, intercepting it.
Someone's on that.
Salah. On to Alexander-Arnold. Oh, Salah. Salah! He scored once already and close to making it a double.
Well, every time he gets on the ball, he looks a real danger today.
And the keeper wanted to take it cleanly and did.
Well, those stats tell you what a good game this has been. We've seen a lot of good attacking play, plenty of goal-mouth action, and all done at a high tempo. It's been very entertaining so far.
Grealish.
Running on.
And City being afforded too much room. Vital interception. The danger was very real. Gundogan. Now with Grealish. Still level here, but the pressure escalating.
We're introducing me with.
Counter-attacking very much an option.
Is that ref?
Now, was that the
Guardian,
of a goal-scoring opportunity? It falls on the referee to decide. Well, just a yellow card, and you can see what they think of that decision, Stuart.
Well, it didn't stop a goal-scoring opportunity. I'm with the referee. I'm not sure it's clear-cut.
High pressing at its best. He's in behind.
Easy, brother.
It is there for him.
Easy.
Give me that.
He could hardly miss.
Give me that. Give me 1-6 more.
Well, how about this? 4-3. He read the situation defensively and did his job.
Nice.
Nice way.
Nice, man. He's a nice man. He's a nice. Oh. Square line.
Level again here. This has been quite the roller coaster ride. Darwin Nunez. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay.
Oh.
What pressure him? Is he under pressure?
Options in the middle. Mo Salah, and he wants to do this.
Boom, damn,
Off the pack. Good stop from the keeper.
I know they feel blood serious.
Nice.
With that, the attack fizzles out. Now can they counter clinically? He's in here.
Come keeper, stay.
Come keeper.
And the keeper has denied him.
Well, I've got to
That's
say,
skill boy,
he was
what?
always in control of that situation. Brilliant stuff. Well, they've been frustrated for quite a while now, but these fans have suddenly come to life.
On the corner, too close to the goalkeeper that time. Fabinho.
Don't need to now.
Nice.
Reach man.
Deserves credit for winning the ball.
Reach it.
Might be the moment to
Jesus
and
Christ.
goalkeeping to deal with the danger.
Well, he had to get that right, didn't he? That's good goalkeeping.
Opportunity in the wide area. Is it going to be?
Mr. Chair pass, you have to submit how we did it.
Incredible save, and he snuffed out the danger.
Is that ref? Give me a red card for that man.
And City with the ball again.
Man's cut and put it on.
Jack Grealish.
Stand up.
De Bruyne.
Giala no.
Being egged on by the crowd.
I think Giala no.
Well, it might still work out for them. Well, good defending. Flattered out of there. And intercepted there.
Yo.
Just 10 minutes remaining here. Liverpool trying to plug into an attacking gear with the game level in the closing moments. Oh, commanding goalkeeping. Gundogan. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here.
Don't touch you, know.
And
Clean up.
play sitting through. Gundogan. Can he convert?
Keeper should catch it. That go by goal.
What can they do from this corner? The minutes ticking away in this game.
What?
The try.
And then goal wants to go on the guidance teacher.
The corner conceded. What can they do with this one? Liverpool have given us away. It's not lost on them what a goal could mean at this late stage. Alexander-Arnold. Here's Fabinho. Now with Alexander-Arnold. Salah. Well, they're going to be very cross with themselves because
90.
that was a wasted opportunity.
90 million. I will keep that.
Okay.
Good pressure high up the pitch.
Right, by 90 million, boss, you know.
No way through.
I'm bossing 90 minutes now. I'm going to. So right now, 90 minutes. Is it?
Extra time with it, 4-4.
4-4.
Give boy 4 goal and give myself 4 goal. Because you say no good and we don't want it, you know. We have to give boy 4 goal.
People tell me, look on and go, don't score. If I'm work for that.
You have to give boy 4 goal, you know.
Is it?
Because you say no, you.
Alright, that's what I'm going.
Well, back underway here, and it's quite simple. Both teams must steel themselves for 30 extra minutes.
Me I'm putting one net bag and up here. I'm making boy 4 goal. One net bag there.
They just can't keep them quiet. And I must say, I'd have to go back quite a few years to remember the last time I covered a game.
Come here.
A scoreline of 5-4.
It's a ref.
De Bruyne. This could square the game. Brilliantly blocked.
Certainly having their say. Just listen to them. They thought that was a penalty.
A classic example of how to intercept.
Ball.
Available. A real
Ball,
opening
ball.
now.
Ball, ball. Ball, ball.
Oh, good looking run. Must be.
Keep us smart,
so
free.
well to deny him.
Back over there, you know.
Well, what a brilliant atmosphere we've got here. These City fans deserve an equaliser, that's for sure.
Foden. An alert piece of defending. Gakpo.
Big ball. See where you make out now.
This is looking threatening. Gives it a go.
Not get hard, man.
Goalkeeping. Who can they pick
Man,
out?
get hard.
And
Come down, play
clears it
on
away.
ball.
Fabinho. Boom! He takes aim. Well, just centimetres over the bar with that powerful shot. Gundogan. The ball with Rodri. Silva. The referee has decided there will be just 1 minute of added time.
Yeah, man, block much for him.
Shit.
The first period of extra time is over.
I'm going to score 2 1. Yeah, man, I'm going to put on one in back. You can fight me life.
Well, the big question, who will come out on top? We're into the second period of extra time here. Salah. And in with a real chance.
Move yourself. See yourself.
A smart stop here.
Ball game. Ball game.
Alexander-Arnold. Nunez.
Oh, right on there. Hat-trick.
Finishing. Just can't stop them today.
Ball entered.
Phil Foden.
Ball ain't done for now, you know.
Come on, man.
See how the big ball are knocking over
The
there.
ball once more.
Come on, Alan, fumble, man.
All the big ball are knocking over there. But in third, can't remember you and you.
Thiago distributing throughly. And still danger
Let's go,
here.
man.
Come for your lovely. Come for your pie.
Fabinho.
Sorry?
Free
Oh,
kick
come on,
awarded
man.
to Liverpool.
Look at change.
Put center for the left wing.
Who that?
Where don't put the goalkeeper and give both your bag.
Can't make a change, huh?
Can't score finals still now. And he don't look more. I try something still.
Firing it towards goal. Well, the free kick fired too close to the goalkeeper. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity.
Come on, Alan, man.
I can't hold that phone. In third now. Ball I jump over it.
Given away by City. Stoppages, we will have 2 extra minutes. He's in behind. Oh, a save of the highest order.
Well, he got his angles absolutely right. What a
That's
good
good,
save that
right?
is.
Come on, man. Malone.
Alright, give me the ball.
And there's the final whistle.
Yeah, no start. Don't come.
What did you make of this?
That's a far me, I ain't going.
Just didn't look as sharp as normal.
That's it.
I don't think they deserved anything from the game. They need to get a better
Look at
performance
them.
in next
Yeah,
time
man,
out.
we sinking, man.
Much.
As usual.
Hopefully it's a defeat for me, but alright guys, so it was a loss. I have accepted defeat. You understand? But next time it could be better. No, I'm gonna nail him. Here's it. Just take my feet. Pass, you know?
It was like good shot. See that?
Keep up.
We're gonna do we have these people.
Yeah guys, so right now we're there. Yeah, night, you know. Go and chef up some what? Understand what I go on? Go there feeding face. Surely I know that pot gully. See it. Out your man in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, go and chef up. See it.
One of star.
Out there, you know. Alright guys, so right now I'm back in the studio / room. Yeah, so thanks you guys for sticking around throughout this day with me, so you guys can see all the highlights of my day. It was not really that crazy, but I'm just want to just take you guys with me, show you more of my personality, so that you can more connect with me, you understand, and just build something together with my audience, because I love you guys so much. All of my 192 subscriber at the time of posting this video. I'm thinking about building this channel, you understand, to sky's the limit. And hope you guys also check out my other channel, which I basically review stuff like my gears and things I've been using. So just a great journey for me. I just want to share it with you guys and everything that is going on, I don't know. So thank you guys for sticking around again. And if you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more of stuff like this. I really appreciate it. And subscribe if you find this somehow interesting, or you're interested in any type of content that I produce. And as always, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.